Additive manufacturing allows the production of complex geometries with an unprecedented flexibility in the manufacturing process.
And although there are many solutions on the market using additive manufacturing technologies, not all of them are focused in the manufacturing of large components in a continuous way. And this is the main reason why MTorres decided to develop its own additive manufacturing technology, TorresPrint3D. Well, the patent-pending TorresPrint3D technology introduced a number of critical innovations. One of the most important is a compact configuration that avoids the need of a heated chamber. The printing configuration chosen by MTorres for this system, with a extruded axis located in horizontal position, printing on a vertical plane, while the part is supported on a horizontal table, allows the creation of very large components.
An automatic temperature control sensor configuration permits to adjust automatically the printing parameters and to ensure the quality of the printing process.
System developed by MTorres. We are printing in a vertical table. The table moves one step after each layer creation. We are printing in the vertical plane, always in the same vertical plane, and the part is supported on the horizontal table. And in this way, it is possible with this system to create parts up to 25 meters long with the
TorresPrint3D is focused on the manufacturing of very large components on a continuous way, with the associated improvements on lead time, waste reduction and energy saving because of the local temperature control system, and all this in addition to the flexibility that the additive manufacturing processes offer.
The system shown today is based on a robotic platform supporting an additive manufacturing end effector, although some other kinematics configuration could be also possible. For example, it is possible to support the end effector, the additive manufacturing end effector on a gantry, with a milling end effector supported on the same machine. An HMI has been designed specifically for this system, controlling all the parameters of the additive manufacturing process, and it can be also adapted to some other system configuration, controlling not only the additive manufacturing process, but the milling or whatever functionality that could be added to the whole machine. The programming tool developed by MTorres for this machine allows to pass directly from the CAD model to the machine execution control without the necessity of additional transducer.
MTorres continues to lead innovation all over the composites value chain, with TorresPrint3D becoming a key milestone for the large-scale introduction of additive manufacturing in the real industrial market. TorresPrint3D. Let's reprint the future.